All right, so we're going to find the volume of a cylinder using another problem. And so we have a scented candle. It's in the shape of a cylinder. The radius is 4 centimeters. The height is 12 centimeters. We need to find the mass of the wax that is needed for us to make the candle if 1 cubic centimeter of wax has a mass of 3.5 grams. We need to round to the nearest tenth, and we are going to use the formula volume equals pi times radius squared times the height for the volume of a cylinder. So what we've got is volume is going to be equal to base times the height. And remember, when we talk about base, we're just talking about the area of the circle. So area of a circle is pi times the radius squared, and then we're going to multiply that by the height. So what we have for the radius is going to be 4 centimeters. And let's see what we've got. Okay, so we'll do volume is equal to pi. They don't give us one way or the other in terms of what they want us to say about that. So we're just going to convert that to 3.14. Our radius is going to be 4 centimeters. So that's 4 to the second power. And then our height is going to be 12 centimeters. So what we have is volume is equal to 3.14 times 16 times 12. So then our volume is going to be equal to 3.14 times 16 times 12. So we've got 602.88. And this was centimeters, so this is cubic centimeters. And so now we need to figure out about the mass. So remember, the mass of the wax needed, let's see, find the mass of the wax that is needed if 1 cubic centimeter of wax has a mass of 3.5 grams. So what we're going to do is multiply this by 3.5. And when we do that, multiply that by 3.5. Our volume then is going to be 602.88 times 3.5. And we get 2,110.08, but they say round it to the nearest 10. So that's 2110 point. Let's use our right hand man to see what happens. That becomes a 1. Okay. And that's cubic centimeters that is needed. Oh, sorry. Nope, that's actually grams. That's how many grams we need. All right, so there's your answer.